Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Wizard Barley from Brawl Stars. Let's get started at the top center of our page with the eye. So we're going to draw a large circle, starting from the top. Just going to work our way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to trace this circle on the inside. So again, starting from the top, just going to leave an even space gap all the way around. Now in the center, we're going to draw an upside down U shape. So starting on the left, curve up towards the top, and then back down on the right. We're going to round this out. On the left side, we're going to come down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm just going to trace this out again on the inside. Let's go ahead and fill that in black. On the side of the eye, we're going to draw two small half circles. One on the left, and then one on the right. Now we're going to tuck the mustache in underneath the eye. So starting at the bottom, draw a straight line coming down. Now I'm going to curve down and up towards the left. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. From the end of the mustache, we're going to draw a short angled line coming down and in. Now we're going to curve up and in behind the eye. Now let's go in and draw in the beard. On the left side, just underneath the mustache, we're going to curve down and in towards the center, towards a point. Now we're going to curve up towards the right side. Now we're going to move back up and draw the inside edge of the hood. Starting from the center, we're going to step up, start with a little point. We're going to curve up and over towards the left side. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to draw two straight angled lines coming down just on the side of that point of the mustache. From here, we're going to go out in an angle. Now we're going to curve this down and in behind the beard. Now we're going to trace the inside of the hood on the outside. Starting from the center, we'll start with that point. We'll curve up and out, just following that same curve, going to the outside. Now we're going to follow it along the side with a straight line. Down towards the side. Now right here, we're just going to follow that curve in behind the beard. Now we'll draw on the top of the hood. Starting from this point on the right, we're going to curve up towards the top of the head, and we'll just pull that out and down on the left side. From here, we're going to draw a short angled line coming down and in towards the head. Now we're going to do a little overlap. Step up, we're going to curve down and over towards this point on the left side. Now in the center, we want to draw a seam. We're going to curve up and over towards the left. Now that we complete the head, let's work our way down the body. On either side of the point of the beard, we draw two straight lines coming down. Now we're going to add the belt buckle. We draw a straight line going across. We'll come down either side to create a rectangle, and then close off the bottom. Let's trace the buckle out on the inside. Now from the bottom corner of the buckle, we're going to step up, curve out and up towards the left, and then the right. And we're going to curve the side of the body. Start by going up, and then we'll just curve it in along the top, leaving a gap. Now let's draw on the top of the belt. From the top corner of the buckle, we're going to step down, curve out, and then up. Now we're going to take these two lines and continue down below the belt buckle. Just two short lines coming down. I'm going to go across and then pull it up along the side. go straight up in an angle towards the bottom corner of the belt. Now let's add the trim. From this line, we're going to step out, draw a straight line coming down on either side. Now we're going to continue along the bottom, but we're going to leave a gap at the bottom. We're going to trim out the bottom edge going out towards the side of the body. Now in between these 2 points, we're going to step up and draw a curve, just a small curve coming down the middle. Now we're going to move to the side and draw on the legs. On the left side, I'm going to draw a curve going out and then down. We're going to step out and draw on the outside of the leg, coming down to the same height. Let's do the same thing on the right, curving out and down. Now we're going to close off the bottom with a curve from left to right, coming down and up. Now from the bottom corners of the leg, we're going to angle out with a short line, and then we'll connect those 2 points with another curve. Now from the inside corner, we're going to come straight down towards the heel. Now let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the heel, we'll curve down and then up towards the toe. Now from the toe, I'm going to draw the toe cap. We're going to curve up and then down towards the bottom of the foot. It's almost like a half circle. Now from the toe, I'm going to step in, draw a straight line going up. Do that on both sides. Now I'm going to curve this in towards the inside of the leg, going across and then down. Now from the outside point of the leg, we're going to come straight down in behind the boot. Let's add some lines in the leg. We're going to take this curve, we're going to step up and just duplicate that twice. Now let's move up and draw on the arms. We're going to start with a torn edge of the sleeve. Starting about halfway down the body, we're going to go up and out in a small angle. Now we're going to come back down and out. Let's go straight up. Now we're going to angle this down and out towards the end of the sleeve. Now we're going to curve this up and in behind the head. Now we're going to tuck the arms in behind the sleeve. Starting on the inside, we're going to step out, curve out, and then down. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's draw on the outside of the arm, about the same thickness as the legs. Come down to the same height. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a curve, going down and up. Now we're going to connect the outside and inside of the wrist with a circle. Starting on the outside, we'll curve around and then back in. We're going to add a small circle on the inside, right in the middle. Now let's draw on the hands. On the inside of the circle, we're going to curve around and then back out. Do the same thing on the right, curving around and then out. We're going to round out the tip of the finger, and we're going to follow that curve back in behind that circle. Now we're going to take that and flip it over on the side of the hand. Starting out here on the side, we're going to curve around and then down, round up the finger, and pull that back up and then in. Now the last thing we're going to do is add some lines across the arm. Starting from the wrist, we'll step up, just draw that same curve. We'll do this 3 times. We'll do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Wizard Barley from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.